Which country won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? Option A Germany, option B Brazil, option C Argentina, option D France. The correct option is option D France. Which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Option A basketball, option B volleyball, option C football, option D tennis. The correct option is option A basketball. Which sport is associated with the Wimbledon tournament? Option A cricket, option B football, option C tennis, option D badminton. The correct option is option C tennis. Mount Everest is located in which country? Option A India, option B Nepal, option C Bhutan, option D China. The correct option is option B Nepal. Which is the smallest country by area in the world? Option A Vatican City, option B Monaco, option C Nauru, option D Liechtenstein. The correct option is option A Vatican City. Which of the following is a feature of democracy? Option A one party rule, option B government controlled by military, option C government elected by the people, option D ruled by a monarch. The correct option is Option C, government elected by the people. What is the primary role of the legislature in a democracy? Option A, to implement laws. Option B, to make laws. Option C, to interpret laws. Option D, to enforce laws. The correct option is option B, to make laws. Which institution is responsible for the interpretation of the Constitution in India? Option A, Parliament. Option B, the President. Option C, the Supreme Court. Option D, the Prime Minister. The correct option is option C, the Supreme Court. Who is the head of state in India? Option A, the Prime Minister. Option B, the Chief Minister. Option C, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option D, the President. The correct option is the President. Option D, the President. Who among the following has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Option A, the Prime Minister. Option B, the President. Option C, the Chief Justice. Option D, the Vice President. The correct option is option B, the President. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.